Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Fiat 500D and this is by Majorette from their vintage series, and I bought this for MRP which is 349, and I think this I bought it from Hamleys. So I mean, I can see a lot of people started to like Majorette nowadays. I'm really happy about that, but again, a lot of idiots are actually scalping this as well, and we are not even getting Majorettes nowadays. That's the worrisome point there. And let me just take this out. I don't know why this looks really cheap for a change. I mean, it has a lot of holes here and everything. You can see. I mean, I don't know. Let me just throw this away. Okay. So here is the card. Specifications. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay. Let's go through the car now. Okay, out of the box, the car looks really cute and beautiful. I mean, it has acrylic headlights here. The logo placement is really beautiful, and it has rear view mirror on one side. I think this is how it's supposed to be in the actual car, and you can see that detailing here, tail light details in the logo as well. That is really nice, and the interior looks so gorgeous. I mean, they actually stay true to this particular car. You can see the steering wheel is actually the old school steering wheel instead of the new one. Even the seats here, those looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is so beautiful. Okay, let me just pop this open. Okay, this is how much it opens. It doesn't have much detailing to it, but it looks really good. I mean, the interior alone looks really beautiful. That is so nice. That is so nice. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic, and that wheels are actually plastic. Okay, it does have suspension. So let's weigh this casting. It is not really heavy, but let's see. 35 grams, 33 grams, 32 grams. Not bad. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, so it has a bumper. The bumper is actually plastic. I must to say that the rear bumpers are also plastic. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it rolls okay. I mean, not good or anything, but at least it reaches more than the halfway mark. The wheels does wobble a little bit on both front and rear wheels, but overall the casting is really beautiful casting, and I mean, I personally love this tiny cars like Mini Cooper and these kind of cars because these are like small, right, and it's easy to maneuver, and it looks really cute as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.